Welcome back to Tech Solutions Info. Over here we bring solutions to your tech challenges. Today we are going to teach you how to download videos from any social media platform onto your device for free without leaving watermarks on the videos. Let's get into it. You might be wondering what watermarks is. Don't worry, it's just something most people find annoying. This is how TikTok watermark looks like. So with this method we are going to show you, when you download a video from, let's say, TikTok, there won't be TikTok watermarks on the video. We are going to use any video converter to download the videos, and I'm going to leave the download link in the description box. On this page, if you copy the video link, it would automatically analyze it. So I'm going to go back before I copy. We are going to start with YouTube. All you need is the video link, so we are going to copy a video link. Welcome back to Tech Solutions Info. Over here, we bring solutions to your tech challenges. Today, we are going to teach you how to partition your hard drive. It could either be your main computer hard disk or an external hard disk drive. Let's get into it. I'm going to open this PC and insert an external hard disk drive. After the video has been downloaded, hit this arrow to take you to the location in your system files where the video was saved. Disk F on the disk management page. When done shrinking the specified space, it's going to be indicated at Now let's go to TikTok and download a video from there too. We only need the link to the video we want to download, so we are going to copy that into any video converter. Now let's go to Twitter or X and copy a video link from there too.
Play me like soccer, girl no go jojo. Allow me, woman, make a dip for back, I give you $1. Say you want to, I'm a me. My rasta, play me like soccer, girl no go jojo. Allow me, woman, make a dip for back, I give you $1. Say you want to, I'm a me. Oh, I'm a family. Say you want to strip me naked, or you want make a stick it in there. Make I know it, make I know it. Say you want to see me rugged, or you want to ride me reckless. Make I know it, make I know it.
Now let's copy a video link from Instagram too.
Many things I face, but I never lose my faith. That tell me say when time is right. You will show me the way. Many things I face, but I never lose my faith. God tell me say when time is right, He will show me the way. Many give up, catch a right flight, then you know I start to speed up. Enemy come, me fly over them. Jah guide me, protect me. Many things I face, but I never lose my faith. God tell me say when time is right, He will show me the way. Many things I face, right, He will show me the way. Many things I face.
If this video was helpful, please leave a like, share to a friend who needs to see, subscribe and comment down below a problem you need us to help you fix.